Imagine a place where learning isn't just about books and memorizing facts, but about exploring, experimenting, and playing. Welcome to Pandabood, the ultimate place to discover math, science, and coding in a way you've never seen before. At Pandabood, learning isn't just about watching videos, it's about experiencing every topic. Math? We don't just solve problems. We play math games, break down puzzles, and make it fun. Science? We don't just explain concepts. We test them with real online simulations. Physics? We solve problems step by step, making even the hardest topics easy. Coding? We don't just talk about it. We build projects together, one line at a time. Pandabood isn't just a panda. It's a curious explorer, a problem solver, and your guide to making learning fun and interactive. Pandabood has spent years working with kids, students, and teachers, finding the best ways to make learning exciting. Pandabood knows how to break down tricky topics so that anyone from young learners to high schoolers can understand them easily. Pandabood loves learning and wants to share the passion with you. So, if you ever thought math was boring, science was too hard, or coding was confusing, Pandabood is here to change that. But what makes Pandabood truly special? I bring together the best simulations, games, and learning tools, so everything you need is in one place. Each playlist is like a mini course. Want to start learning math from scratch? Click on Math from Zero. Interested in space? Dive into Earth and Space Science. In every science and math video, you will find links to online simulations and games in the description below. But here's how to use them for best learning experience. Pause the video, try the simulation, then come back. When a new topic is introduced, you can pause the video, click the link, and test it yourself. For example, if we're learning about the solar system, try the simulation to experience it yourself. Then come back and see what else you can explore and learn with Pandabood. Many videos include interactive quizzes. Click the link, answer the questions, and then continue watching to see if you got them right. Instead of just memorizing formulas, try the games linked in the description to practice in a fun way. Have a question? Check out the community tab where Pandabood posts fun quizzes every day. You can even challenge your friends. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new learning adventures. This is more than just a YouTube channel. It's a movement to make learning exciting, interactive, and accessible for everyone. Pandabood's mission is simple: to bring all the best simulations, math games, coding projects, and learning tools together so you don't have to search for them. Everything is here, ready for you to explore. Coming soon to Pandabood: math games and simulations, fun interactive games that make learning math exciting, coding projects, step-by-step coding projects for beginners, Pandabood life stories, animated stories that inspire kids to love learning. The Solar System series. Explore the planets one by one in detail. All physics and advanced math. Deeper lessons on physics and high school math concepts. And this is just the beginning. More playlists, more learning, and more fun are coming. Subscribe now and be part of this journey from the start. Because at Pandabood, learning isn't just something you have to do, it's something you will love to do.